guys, welcome to more Halo with
Minicrafter, and MEGAGAMEGIRL465.
Minicrafter.
Oh, and guys, make sure, because Andre and Nemo didn't say this in the last video, make sure you subscribe and have fun.
Subscribe and press the like video. Okay,
yeah,
flood.
the like button. What's flood?
Hey.
Guys, are we doing
What's flood? It's like thunder. Get in. What are you guys doing? Sammy, get in. Get in, damn it.
I am in.
Oh.
It's only Luna.
Yeah.
Why are you MEGAGAMEGIRL?
That's her.
Oh, it's her.
Okay, there you go.
I think I will. What's it flood? Which one's me? Am I pink?
That's her, yeah. So, flood, heaven, game options.
Why heaven?
And my way so green. Can I like do unlimited? Unlimited.
Are there gonna be teams?
I don't know.
Why am I green?
What do you guys do?
Look, Minicrafter.
Oh, okay. You guys are ready?
Yeah. What is it? Is it Slender?
Yeah. We have to see who is slender first of all. It can be two people are slender. Or yeah.
Don't look Slenderman good over.
ما تلاقي السلندر من خا وحش أضخم بس نتلاقي بقيت السابع. Who's fun?
The guy that has no.
Alina, this.
I'm Slender. Me too.
Alina, me and you are on teams.
Okay. This you.
Alina.
Nemo, I'm in this one. Okay.
Alina, I'm right here. Who are you?
Which one am I?
Nimmer,
Why am I not looking? I can't look.
Nimmer, you're with me.
Where are you? Yeah, I killed someone.
No, you two are in teams.
Oh, I killed her.
Nitma, where are you?
Yay!
Let's go.
لا أنا أي عادي.
لا كم.
What's in green? No, I'm Slender.
Where is Slender first of all? Oh, Slender! I found him.
What is it? Can Slender kill you?
What is that? Oh God, is he right here?
Someone hit me. Sabby, I was about to kill you. Don't. Sabby, I want to.
Oh God.
Oh my God.
I found someone! I found Thunder! Gonna go shoot him right now! Where is he, first of all? Thunder? Where did you go?
Find him! That was Alina.
Sammy, you're next!
I'm not very good.
No! That's not...
Where is this?
Wow, we just both killed Slender! Oh, who are you? Who are you?
That was Alina.
Nimmer, let's get out of here. I have to get out of here fast, right?
What is Alina?
Where's
Alina? No, I'm this. No.
Nimmer, just search around.
Oh my God. The one that's looking up. This one. This? No. This? Yes.
I saw you.
Alina, what are you doing?
Jumped. Yeah. On my map, it's showing readings. Oh, found one!
It's showing readings on my map.
Who is that?
That's Alina.
No, Dimmer, don't. Go kill her.
I killed Nemo. I killed someone. Nemo, that's yours. I killed someone.
We need to kill them for you.
No, I'm not killed.
Oh, I'm Slender now. Woohoo!
I hope I'm not. I'm the only one that's not dead.
Okay, Nimmer,
Okay, I'm with you. I'm Slender.
Nimmer, I'm right here.
No, I'm Slender.
Gotcha. Nimmer, look, someone's... Imagine he kills all of us. Imagine he kills all of us.
I'm the only one that's surviving. Nimmo killed me. I can locate Nimmo whenever I want because he killed me. So I know where he is on the map.
Did we win?
I win.
What? Alina won.
Alina won?
Wow, that's not fair.
I think because of most people kill him.
We're gonna go into Oddball now.
No, I want teams.
Oddball's better. Or you guys want to do like free for all?
Yes. Yeah, free for all. No, oddball teams. Oddball teams. Hey guys, I'm
with you.
Nino, I'm with you. Excuse me. Wait, which one are you? Am I this one? No. Look. Me and you. Don't talk. No talk. Only us. Me and so guys, yeah.
team.
Mimic tag and Minicrafter.
Do anything.
And the Huntsville kill and Mega Game.
My name is XX Alpha Simple Trouble Choppa. We're gonna kill some more.
No, we're gonna kill you. He's the master here.
I'm better than him.
No, you lie.
I killed all of you guys when you were sitting here.
Which one's better, the last one?
Alina. I picked one that's so good. Alina, where are you?
Oh, I can make a clone.
Alina, follow me. I'm right here.
I'm following you now. What?
There's the oddball.
Where are you?
Gotcha.
Is it Slundo? Kill Andre. Okay.
Oh God.
I killed
we have
Andre.
to kill him. I had the oddball.
Ow.
You done with that?
No.
Ooh, Alina, Alina, we got the ball.
Come on.
We have to get out of here first. What is your Alina?
I made you say it's mine. Oh, one time it's single. It's tonight.
What?
Got you two.
Who's the oddball?
Me.
Sit down, please.
Okay, Sebby, you may kill it. Kill them.
Is that you, Ninmo?
Yep.
Oh,
Someone's killing me.
that's Huntsville kill.
Double kill.
How do you hit people with
Please. Wait.
Yeah, no, the regular button.
No, it's this button. Okay, I know.
No, get out of here. Oh, I melee him.
Me too.
Kill.
How do I get down there?
Down it is. Sandu.
I made a clone thing.
I'm gonna make a clone.
Yeah, I made a clone.
Oh, I can in my.
That was the clone. What? They can make clones. They can make clones. They can make clones.
Huh? Alina, get the ball. I have to cover you.
Yeah, but I had the eyeball.
I found you guys. Oh, they're so good at killing people, but in the other one I was so
Oh, you're the wrong guy. Oh, come on.
I helped you, Sebby.
You have the ball?
No.
Yeah. Where's the ball?
Alina has it.
Dang it, Alina still has the ball. We have to kill her. Hunt her down.
The mission to hunt the ball.
He's somewhere this way. I don't have it.
I found it.
Kill! I don't have her. Okay, I killed some. I have the ball.
I killed them for you. Look.
Alina, I got him for you.
The sword! The sword! Nino, get the sword! There's a sword! I don't want it! I want the sword! I don't want the ball!
Shoot.
Somebody has the ball!
Wait now. After me and you and Mayu not play this one.
Why?
Oh, sword!
No! Someone please get the sword! Someone please get the sword! Who has it? Who has it?
Give me and you and Mayu and Bad.
Oh, come on!
I have it!
Where are you, Sebby? Are you?
I'm down, I have the sword.
I need to video.
Let's go.
Who cares about the ball, right?
No, I need the ball. We need the ball to win. We're winning.
The ball's down, the ball's down!
No, it's right here.
Yeah, it's down.
I don't have it.
What? Oh! I killed someone.
Alina,
They're killing us.
shoot him. He's right there.
I killed them.
I fell off the wall.
Get the ball. They're shooting.
It's just I left the wound.
No! Get the sword, please. I'll get the sword. You'll get the ball, okay?
Well, I already have it.
Look, hunt him down.
So cool.
Okay. Hunt Andre down. Press to hunt.
Just pass. Wait, I got it.
You have the ball? Good.
Oh, shoot.
find now.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This is how you hit with it.
Ouch!
Who killed me?
Me.
What? That's not fair.
It's easy. No one knows a step for me. I'm not turning the secret on you.
No, I know how to kill with the ball too.
Surprise! I got the ball.
No.
Double kill.
I just saw
I'm
you
the
guys.
best here.
If we get the sword, then it's even. We need a sword so it's even.
Wow, you suck at shooting.
Where's the ball? You have the ball? Okay.
Your team Kennedy.
Ow!
I killed you.
I killed you too.
Click, click, click. Found you guys.
You have the ball.
Yeah, this.
Yes! Well, you did good. You killed them all.
And Nemo won!
See you guys. This was episode.
Let's see who wins.
This was fun.
We win.